Hey everyone, this is Lola Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel to recreate a pluck called Drown, and it sounds like this if you want to listen to it in solo, without sidechain, and MIDI. Really cool sound now in context with a little bit of sidechaining as well. So let's activate the sidechain. Really cool sound that you can find over here in the description below in the melodic progressive pack that is available for Serum 2, and it's available at Production Music Live's website. But now let's initialize this sound, and we're gonna listen to this raw without sidechain. And we're gonna get started here by selecting first a digital anti-stasis, wavetable position, like this. And now LFO1, we're gonna modulate a little bit of the wavetable position as well, somewhere like this, but we're using here a bar and free. In addition, we're gonna go here in the matrix, we're gonna select note random, and we're gonna put this into the oscillator A panning, a little bit like this, and back and forth. So you can see how it changes back and forth. Now noise, we're gonna select here the Serum 2 noises, and we're gonna select crackle, all the way down with the level. But envelope 2 is gonna modulate this. How much? Something like this. But what is envelope 2? Envelope 2 is all the way down, and we're actually gonna select here a BPM. So what does that mean? Can you see how this is locked to the BPM? 1/4 for the decay and 1/4 triplet for the release. But we're gonna do something different. First, we're gonna go and select mono, and always, and add a little bit of portamento here. In addition, we're gonna go into envelope 1 and add a lot of release here. Yeah, somewhere like this. Without mono. With mono. But we're gonna go and do something different. If you go here in the global and you have this scaling, this pretty much tells you that you're gonna get 100% of a second, and this pretty much just multiplies this by this one. If you put this a little bit higher, you're multiplying all the sounds by 229%. This makes it sound a little bit longer. See what I mean? Back to the oscillator. Now we're gonna go into the filter, and in filter we're gonna select here only A, cut off all the way down. But again, envelope number 2 is going to modulate this. And here's where we're gonna listen to most of that difference before and after. See how it makes the sound longer? Filter 1, we're gonna send this a little bit to the bus. And in the bus, what we're gonna do is just add a little bit of grit into it. So distortion, we're gonna add a post, low pass as well, and we're gonna also make this a lot higher. Somewhere like this, maybe more. And the Q a bit down. But this is going to go to 100% mix and 100% drive. Without, with. But let's tame a little bit of the low end here. And to finish, just a delay. Ping pong, 1/8. Frequency as it is. Feedback as it is. Frequency a bit down. Q a bit down as well. Tame a little bit of the highs and a bit of the lows. and mix as it is. And to finish everything, if you want a louder sound, you can just go into the level and make it a bit louder. And you can also pick the resonance and put it a bit down if you want a bit more low end out of the sound. Before, after. Now in context, with sidechain. Really cool sound that you can find over here in the description below, but there's one thing that is really cool in the original preset, which is you have all these macros and also the mod wheel that it's really cool to create automations during your tracks. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you loved it, subscribe to the channel. This is Lil already from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.